Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another episode in our wide world of food. Now, I'm making Lebanese street food today. And hey, down in our comments, sometimes when I'm making a food that is not an American food, I get accused of being a typical American and dropping letters and not pronouncing things right.
Inconceivable.
No offense is intended. I absolutely love food.
He speaks the truth.
And American food is not the only food out there. There's a lot of good stuff everywhere. So what I think I'm making tonight is Arayes, a Lebanese street food that's basically, we're going to call it a Lebanese hamburger. Hopefully that doesn't offend people. Yeah, if it does, leave it down in the comments. All press is good press.
Damn right.
So let's get it going. In a bowl, we're going to take, I'm going to say a few amounts, but hey, don't believe them. If you want to make this, look down below in the description area, because there you'll find all the ingredients, their amounts, and the instructions. And those will be right. Not me. Okay, so taking 1 pound of ground lamb, or I'm going to cut my fingers off, one of the two. And 1 pound of ground beef. Now, the recipe down below only calls for 1 pound of meat. It calls for either beef or lamb. I'm doubling this because I'm making it for a lot of people. And I like both of them, so we're using them. Now we're going to take some garlic and a sweet onion, and we're going to shred them. Hell yeah, we are.
You're damned right.
And all of that's getting added to our bowl. Now, a lot of times when you do something like this, you try and squeeze the liquid out. Not this time. We want it all. To that, we're going to add some coriander ground, some cumin ground, some paprika, some allspice, some salt, and some pepper. I'm going to get that all mixed up. And then I'm going to finely dice about a half a cup, once again I'm doubling the recipe, of parsley. Add that, get it all mixed up, then we'll see it for the next step. So, through the magic of editing, you did not see me freak the hell out because I had no parsley in the house, only cilantro. We do cook a lot of Mexican, so I've got to forgive supply department. But now I got parsley, so I'm going to finally dice up about a half cup worth. Okay, that's diced as finely as I feel like dicing it. So it's exactly right. Now with my grubby paws, I will mix together the beef, the lamb, the parsley, and the spice. Spice, baby. Oh, and the onions and garlic. Ooh, damn, that smells good. I do realize I say that a lot, but I really, really mean it. I do. Hey, if you want to help us out and you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and become a sunscriber. Hit that like button. Leave us a comment. What's your favorite Lebanese street food? Where are you watching from? All right, I'm happy with that mixture. Now we're going to divide that into 10 equal balls. Why? Because I have 5 pitas here, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6, so I'm going to divide this into 12 equal balls. There was probably a less messy way to do this, but it didn't occur to me at the time. So really, if you have your ingredients together, this does not take long to make. All right, wash the paws. All right, if you are as lucky as we are and have access to a Middle Eastern bakery, there are several here in the Valley of the Sun, then by all means, go there and get a fresh made pita. If not, then you can get them at the grocery store. We're taking all these and cutting them in half. And then I'm going to chuck them in the microwave and warm them just for about 20-30 seconds just to help open them up better. Because we want purdy pitas. We don't want ripped pitas. Purdy pitas. All right, now we take our slightly warmed pitas. We carefully open them up. Then we stuff the meat in there. 1 ball per half pita. Then we're going to squish it down and make it as flat as we can. And then transfer it over to a baking sheet for transport to the griddle. Now you can cook these inside if you want. But if you have a black stone griddle or some other type of outdoor griddle, it's going to work great on that because you can do a bunch of them at the same time. Ain't that right, director?
Yeah.
The director says it's true, so it is. All right, once I have all of these stuffed, I'm going to spray the outside of every one of them, both sides, with some olive oil. Then we're going to head out to the griddle and get these a-cooking. We'll see you there. All right, we're here at the griddle, good and hot. Time to get the areas a-cooking.
You're forgetting something.
All right, full disclosure time. As I was coming out, I noticed that my bottle of pomegranate molasses was still sitting on the counter.
Come again.
A couple tablespoons of that was supposed to go in with the meat, but we will just improvise. We'll get that taste in there. Nothing could possibly go wrong. So I'm going to shut this. I'm going to give them about 5 minutes on each side, and then we'll see where the meat is. We need to get it up to about 165 degrees internal, and then it'll be ready to get those back inside and get some judgment. So we'll see you there. All right, we got them in. I de-rizzled
For shizzle dizzle.
the pomegranate molasses on them since I forgot to add it to the meat.
Nice recovery. Well executed.
So now it's time for some judgment from Charlotte. Hopefully this is the best Lebanese food you've had today.
Oh, looks good.
I heard crunch.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's yummy.
Well, how'd we do?
Very good.
All right. There you go. Thousands of years of civilization can't be wrong. And she's still eating, which doesn't normally happen, so it must be damn good. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.